Hello, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Now, you won't need to use any other software to create presentations because NotebookLM has introduced built-in options to create slides and infographics. So today, we're going to see how you can create slides and infographics directly using NotebookLM. So, let's get started. First, let's see how to create a slide deck using NotebookLM. The process remains the same. You go to NotebookLM, click on Create New, and then add your sources. Now, since we have already created some notebooks earlier, we'll open one of those. We'll open this particular notebook. Here, we had already added the sources. There are multiple ways to add sources in NotebookLM. You can upload PDFs, add YouTube video links, or even paste your own notes. You can refer to our previous NotebookLM video to understand this process in detail. Now what we need to do is click on Slide Deck. Similarly, for infographics, we'll follow the same process. While the slide deck is being generated, we'll also select the infographic option. This way, both will be created side by side. Now, one item has been generated. Let's take a look. Here, the image has been created showing the permutation formula with proper examples. You can download it from here if you want. Now let's open the slide deck in expanded view. This is the introductory slide. Honestly, this was not exactly what we expected, because the slides we created using Gemini were much better visually. However, the topic itself has been properly covered. If the goal is to explain a topic clearly from start to end, all the necessary content is present here. For example, factorials are explained very clearly in a presentable way. Although the design could be improved, the explanation quality is excellent. The entire topic is properly covered, with clear examples used throughout. Different explanation methods that are usually required for this topic are all included here. So overall, these are comprehensive slides, created from start to finish. All the necessary details related to the topic are included in the slide deck. The main advantage is that we already have the slides ready. If we want to make any changes, additions, or modifications, we can easily do that later, like adding introductions or rearranging content. The key point is that NotebookLM has already done the hard work of converting everything into a presentable format. After that, we can customize it according to our needs. You can also start the slideshow directly from here. The only drawback is that this presentation can be downloaded only in PDF format, not as editable slide files like PPT or Google Slides. So that is one limitation. That's all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.